actor Rupali Ganguly briefed the media after joining BJP. Let's cut across. And as per our sources, Congress is not able to take any decision on Raebareli enmity. And actor Rupa Ganguly has briefed the media after joining the BJP. We're going to cut across.
तो मुझे विनोद तावड़े जी का मार्गदर्शन मिला, अमित बिनोनी जी का आशीर्वाद मिला, संजय मयूख जी की गाइडेंस मिली और मैं यहाँ पर आ गई हूँ कि मैं किसी तरह से मोदी जी के बताए रास्ते पर चलूँ और किसी तरह से देश सेवा में लगूँ। अमित शाह जी के नेतृत्व में आगे बढ़ूँ और कुछ ऐसा करूं जिससे आज जो ये लोग मुझे भाजपा में शामिल कर रहे हैं, इन सबको एक दिन मुझ पर गर्व हो। तो आप सबका आशीर्वाद चाहिए और आप सबका साथ चाहिए कि मैं जो भी करूं सही करूं, अच्छा करूं, गलत करूं तो आप लोग मुझे बताइएगा। आप सब तो हैं ही। और थैंक यू सो मच। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि मुझे इस मंच पर बैठकर कैसा लग रहा है। सच में ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे शायद यहाँ आना था, इसलिए शायद वो पूरे रास्ते चलते चलते आई हूँ। कला के पथ पर चलते चलते यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ। जो विश्व की आत्मा में बसते हैं, जो हर भारतीय की आत्मा के विश्वास हैं, उन्होंने मेरी आत्मा पर भी एक अटल छाप छोड़ी है। सच में श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, हम सभी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के फैन हैं। मैं तो बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ और जो सारा काम भाजपा कर रही है।
Mehendi Garg, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details about this. Mehendi, Rupali Ganguly has joined the BJP. Perhaps a welcome addition to the party.
Well, yes, Vineet, Rupali Ganguly, the famous TV star who is popularly known for her roles in Anupama and also Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, has joined BJP, which is a very big deal, and the actress has joined Bharatiya Janata Party in the presence of leader Vinod Tavade, Anand Baluni and Sanjay Mayuk. So while addressing the media, Rupali Ganguly said different things and thanked Vinod Tavade for his presence on the day of her joining. And in her address, Rupali Ganguly said that she is very much happy to share the munch with these leaders, with these big leaders, and she has come to this path from the path of as an artist. She worked for a lot of years and for a lot of days, and now she'll be working in the Bharatiya Janata Party. So she said thanks, and she thanked all the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and the party to welcome her in the Bharatiya Janata Party. And also about the development she talked about, she said that she has joined Bharatiya Janata Party for the development and to do development and to do good for the people of the country. And along with Rupali Ganguly, also Amia Joshi has joined BJP, and he also stated big things about the BJP, that he is also very much fortunate that party is giving him that chance so that he can work according to the public and for the public. So all these things happened, and Rupali Ganguly, the famous TV actress, joining BJP is a very big deal for the party. Over to you, Vineet.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.